Okay guys, so here she is, she's finished, she's ready to go. She's got to charge the batteries up now. I'll charge the batteries up and do the maiden tomorrow, so I'll do the maiden video. Hopefully it won't be back on the bench. But as you can see, all the lines are as straight as they were. This is a lot more solid and thicker up front. Weight increase, I suppose, you're looking at a couple of ounces, so it's not going to make that much of a difference. Thrust angle is the only thing I've got to check, because obviously that could have changed slightly with the rebuilding of the front of the nose. So obviously when I take it off, I'll have to be a little bit quick on the old sticks, and hopefully I'm not expecting it to do crazy things. One thing I did do, which in hindsight I should have thought about, I reinforced on the outside, so I actually increased 0.5 centimetre on each side of the fuselage. So when it comes to fit the wings back on, they were obviously 1 centimetre out. So I had to extend the wings in the centre part by 1 centimetre, which I've then filled and solid. So the wing is now one wing piece, which is solid now. Again, 0.5 centimetre on each wing is not going to make much of a difference. So hopefully it won't make a huge difference to the flight characteristics. It should be a lot easier to see. That's why I've chosen the old black 13 scheme. As you know, whenever I crash a plane, it gets a black nose and a number 13, which I'm waiting to arrive from the post. Gets put on it. I've increased the visibility underneath by adding that colour scheme to it. Hopefully, you know, I've saved you guys some money. It's £170 saved there just by doing that. I would say it took me, because I did all this trimming stuff, which I didn't really have to do, but I wanted to make it look nice. I suppose cost is about 25 quid, and you're looking at, say, I don't know, 10 hours work. So for 10 hours and 25 quid, I've saved 170 quid, plus I've made all the extra modifications, which means that I can actually remove the bottom plate now. I can fix you know, the fuel tank, any problems I get with the engine. I can just take the bottom plate off, the wheels off, and get straight in there and, you know, sort stuff out. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and the shell come out really nice. So yeah, so I'll test it tomorrow and I'll post the video. So here I am in the field, and there are 2 other people here, and as you can see, it's a complete rainy day. However, there is no wind at all. It's not such a great thing for flying. You want a little bit of wind at least, but if we can just get a little bit of a layup in the rain, I'll be able to get out there and maiden this one here. So what we have here in the SRFC stroke CMAS hut is Pete, Pilot Pete, cooking bacon. Oh, look at that. Hello Pete, say morning.
Morning.
And there's Les there, having his coffee by the fire.
Morning.
And we're all just waiting for the weather to change. I'll come back when it does. Okay, as you can see, it's a really bad day. It's very grey and horrible. There's only 3 of us here today. I'll just give you a quick look around. You can see what it's like. See the puddles. The whole place completely flooded, and there's the plane waiting to go. So I'm going to try and get the maiden in before the rain comes. Whoa! Whoa!
This is Bubbles from Trailer Park Boys, impersonator.
Well, this tray looks good to me. Yeah, it needs a bit of trimming. It's crabbing slightly to the left, but yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. You can get an ointment for that.
Puddle. Well, it's a good rebuild, I think. Good job.